So guys, we're gonna show you what we got going on this Odyssey. This system is probably worth 15K. I know it doesn't look like you should be investing that much in a minivan, but hey, guy wants to do it. He drives this thing all the time. He wants a good system. He wants it to sound perfect. So today what we're gonna be upgrading on this Odyssey, we're gonna be doing the 0 gauge runs. We're gonna do the big 3 on it. It's pretty heavy, it's got some weight. I'm gonna show you what we got going on in the engine bay. So we remove the air filter just to have access to the battery. We're gonna be running all the wires. We're gonna tuck them in. We're gonna hide them completely so it's not visible to anybody. We don't want it to look too tacky because if we put a lot of wires here, it's gonna look really tacky. So we're gonna grab them all right here. We already have a 0 gauge ram. If you don't have a constant 12 volt system running all the way to the back, sometimes they'll distort, sometimes it's gonna cut off. So it's very important we have total voltage to the back as much as possible. The reason why we're doing a big 3, usually the manufacturers, they're not thinking about a sound system. They'll run probably about an 8 gauge all the way to the alternator. What will cause is like a freeway. Imagine being in the freeway and then they change it to 1 lane, and that's what's going on with the 8 gauge. You're changing it to 1 lane instead of being 4 lanes. So imagine you're trying to funnel all that power go through there. You're gonna get stuck. It's not gonna give you all that power. So that's what we're gonna do to upgrade the power in this thing and give it 100%.